All right, let's go. Oh God, this is the worst place for this. Damn. Who wants to see the world's loudest 2022 WRX? I know I would. In this video, you might just see it. Alright, you guys, what's up? We're at Summit Racing with Tim, Jordy, the blue WRX. Gotta get exhaust. Let's go. Blue, blue. Package acquired.
Honey, they questioned when I bought the grill at Walmart with my card. They didn't question when I bought the exhaust. They didn't send me a text. They didn't even.
Oh, they were like, "Oh, he spent $500 before. It's fine."
This makes sense. So I gotta add the tips myself, and I gotta do all this.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's see.
Oh, there's your pipes.
Cool. That's why it's in such a small box.
Yeah, but it's everything separate because you can swap the tips if I want.
That's
So
pretty dope.
Yeah, I asked him. I was like, it looks like I could do the front ones. Just
Damn, your car looks really blue on iPhones. Wow. So yeah, if you ever want to get an exhaust for your car same day on almost any model and you have a Summit Racing nearby you, if you're lucky like us, just go.
It's so warm.
It's so hot.
It's so awesome.
Welcome to Ohio in the summer. Summit Racing, sponsor me. Yes.
Come over. I'll let you come over. You can sit right in front of me. We'll get some good footage. Either that or I can get up next to him if you want.
Turn your blink off. Yes.
Oh, and there goes the Tesla.
Tesla versus Corvette. Who will win?
I just want to get closer.
Tesla got it by a mile. Oh my God, keep going. Keep going. That's pretty.
Am I not going to drinks?
No warning. How is that supposed to compare silence to non-silence? Yep. It is like a Tesla. So quiet. So quiet.
5.
Okay.
Ready?
Don't eat shit. Just watch my hands just like slip back. Complete utter silence. All you can hear is like a little bit of a whine.
Yeah. It almost sounds like a supercar.
It does a little bit, but it kind of sounds like it might also be your tires a little bit. So I can't tell the difference. But just gotta get that intake on there, my boy. It's a real thing eventually.
That's why I figure if I can get it paid off by the time my warranty's up, we're spending like $6,000 and doing a big turbo kit and probably like some other crazy shit.
Yeah, tune.
We're gonna spend like, yeah, it's probably $6,000 to $10,000 on just.
Oh, cigarettes. Oh, well. Oh.
This is what you deserve.
No, stop. We're drifting in the.
Oh.
Okay, we're good.
Shit out of this.
I don't know why, but these literally look like they're like an inch and a half. That's crazy. It looks like hot dog tubing for an exhaust. Alright, so yeah, Tim got an exhaust over there. I think I said that before. This MBRP, and we went and picked it up at Summit. So if you're lucky enough to live near a Summit, look up your car. See if they got anything for you. Maybe you'll get lucky. It's pretty cool when you can find a part and just go pick it up same day. If you're ever doing this, these bolts are all 14s, and then some exhausts will have you reuse them. Some exhausts will have you not reuse them. So just make sure you don't throw them away too early.
They stagger the other way.
Let me see. Look at the stock exhaust.
Oh, this doesn't help that I'm on the corner.
I feel like it would go this way.
Yeah, the slightly less.
Because if it was
Or the-
bigger to smaller, it'd look weird. But I don't know.
What I thought. But I was like, maybe that'll.
Where are the instructions now, huh?
Not reading the directions.
I'll just like faux. We'll just hold the tips kind of in place so they don't shift as much. Got it?
Yep.
I'm just gonna go slow. So.
They still come out a little bit. Not much.
Like the
Yeah. I'll put my hand around it and see if there's any air coming out. Just turn her on. It's not gonna do that. Not really, but
I'm kind of scared.
as it falls off the sands,
That's why I'm like.
it shouldn't fall off. That's funny that you said that though.
Ready?
Yeah. Not bad. That's really good. That's loud. Oh! That's loud. That's like my car. That one seems to be okay, but it's dripping.
That one's
It's dripping at every hole.
Is that? Oh my god, is it cool?
Now I'll probably be able to know. You can hear the turbos now. I'm gonna say there was an exhaust leak until it heated up enough.
I think that flange like heats and helps it settle and like sticks it. That's what I'm hoping. This thing looks. Yeah, you see? He's got a little fire.
What up, dog? Happy 4th of July.
Oh, go up a little bit. I can't.
No. Up more.
Yeah, just. They're good.
Woo! Look at that.
Real gems.
Fast? Faster?
You just see the exhaust fall off. You're like, oh.
Oh, look at all the water spill out. Now,
So you can't land on my house.
that just proved that they did seal.
Oh yeah? Oh, because it was sitting.
Because
on
it
the
was sitting there.
That's crazy. Those gaskets, I knew. We knew because they were.
They were like really weird metal.
You lay it on the landing strip next time or something? Like. Alright, you're good. Take these back. Take all the shit back.
That was the easiest thing we've
It was so
ever
easy,
done.
and it worked. It worked so well.
Wow. And it is already warm. Go for it. Fuck. Sounds better than mine. But it sounds better.
Hey, I'm not the one that fucked that one up. So.
Well, at least this time it doesn't have any exhaust leaks. At least
It
this
only
time.
took you about what, $40,000 to figure that out.
Maybe. What's it to you? Yeah. It did a little pop in there in the middle.
Turbo's full. Well, I hit like red and then.
The turbo's louder right now. That sounds way better.
Lost the fraction. It sounds kind of like it's easy when I do that.
It sounds so good. Yeah. Okay. Ready. It started not bad. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot that you stuck around till the end to see me say this garbage because I ramble a lot. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Tim's car is loud as hell. It's crazy. Love it. It's one of the loudest WRXs of the newer generation that I've heard in person. It's crazy, actually. Just an axle back exhaust can do something like that to the car. But yeah, so there's a lot of content coming. My WRX had a lot of things going on, bad, good, all in between. Got dyno tuned this last week. There's still a couple, like one leak, and it's knock sensor issue, or I think that maybe the oil leaking on the sensor might be causing the problem. But anyways, that's a whole other story that you guys will get to see unfold throughout the next couple weeks. The last 2 months have been really, really epic, and I don't want to do this YouTube stuff wrong anymore. I want to get the content out, and I want to make it good content. And I want it to be enjoyable entertainment, something that I would have wanted to see when I was younger. And honestly, like, it's incredible because like the stuff that I'm doing right now, I could only have dreamed of when I was 14 years old. Like I feel blessed, and I honestly do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, like, to the moon and back, like, really, because like without you guys I'd have no purpose in even uploading these videos. I'd have done it anyways, but like you guys actually watch and care, and it's kind of nice. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll stop rambling, but hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll end the video with some fireworks. So thank you guys so much again, and we hit 30,000 plus on Facebook. It's unbelievable. We're over 4,000 on YouTube. That itself is unfathomable. We're almost at 4,100. It's literally insane. I appreciate every single one of you. We've gotten millions of views on all platforms the last couple months, and man, I had to take a couple week break, but we're back. And the last couple months are about to unfold on YouTube. Love you guys. Peace out, and I will see you in the next video. 2, 1. It didn't go. Ah! I tripped. Those are big ones. Oh my God. Dude. Oh. Looked at it as it fell. Woo! Woo! It's raining fire! All right, last one. Ready, go.